fixing to cut down my chicken. I thawed out some chicken breast here. Some are a little bit thicker than I want them to be. So, we'll see what can be done about that. This one's okay. So I'm just going to cut off the gross part there. So we got ice. Cut it down a bit. Alright, so I got my barbecue sauce mixed up. I'm going to add my chicken that I set over here to marinate. Just going to kind of toss it around. I'm going to get all of them good and coated, which I will be turning it while it's cooking, off and on. Now, get all this stirred around. I'm going to put this in a 280-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Then I will probably go up to around 325. Okay, so now we're going to turn our chicken around a bit. Get the juice on low. Alright, there you have it. Fresh oven barbecue chicken. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you later.